And beta, how the pressure depends upon force and pressure depends upon area, it is very important. And we discuss some examples. For example, snowshoes, they have larger area, so means the weight of the person wearing the snowshoes distributed over the larger area, so less pressure is exerted on the snow, and it means their feet don't sink in the snow, so they can walk over the snow easily. Okay beta. Similarly, we discussed some other examples. You remember that beta? And then beta, we started liquid pressure. Okay, and beta, with this what can we see here beta? In liquid, pressure increases with G beta. In liquid,
Depth.
shabash, as the depth of liquid increases, the pressure of the liquid increases, right? So we did discuss this point. Pressure in a liquid, in a liquid pressure in a liquid increases with depth. We did that in our last class, right? And beta, then we discussed that beta, pressure acts in all directions. Pressure acts in all directions means at any particular depth, see, pressure acts equally in all directions. See, if we have made holes at different locations on this bottle, so beta, pressure, water comes out with pressure from all, it means pressure is acting in all directions, right? Beta, is that point clear? Pressure at one depth acts equally in all directions. Okay beta. And beta, another point about the pressure is that pressure depends upon the density of the liquid. Beta, in liquid, pressure also depends upon the shabash beta, what? Pressure,
Density of the liquid.
shabash, pressure depends on the density of the liquid. Density of the liquid. So it means beta, what? It means the more dense the liquid, the higher the pressure at any particular depth. Okay beta. The more dense the liquid, the more dense the liquid, the higher the pressure at any particular depth. The higher the pressure at any particular depth. Okay madam. And beta, the next point is pressure G beta, pressure does not depend on the shape of the container. Okay beta, pressure does not depend upon the shape of the container. Beta, you know what it means? Okay, so beta, here this diagram you can see, what do you think, beta? There are different points mentioned, point A, point B, point C, point D, point E, okay? And see, the shape of the containers is different, okay? Their width is different, okay? Now, beta, what do you think the pressures at A, B, C, and D, and E? G, beta, is it same or different?
Sir, same.
Is that clear? The pressure at points A, B, C, D, and G, beta, and E is the same. Beta, is that point clear? This is important point, beta, you have to remember this. That beta, liquid pressure does not depend upon the shape of the container. Beta, whatever the shape or width of the container, okay, when we are talking about the liquid pressure, beta, what is important? Density and the depth is important. See here, if this liquid is same, right? See, and see beta, these all points, okay, they are at the same depth in a liquid, okay, the same depth, okay? So we can see we represent H. H is same, so it means the pressure at all the points would be the same. Is that clear, beta? Beta, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So beta, we studied about pressure in liquids or liquid pressure. So beta, these points are important. Pressure increases with, shabash beta, Abdullah Subhan, pressure increases with,
Sir, depth.
shabash. Beta Kundi, pressure acts in, ji beta Kundi, pressure acts in liquid pressure acts in, pressure acts in all, ji beta Kundi, pressure acts in all, okay. Beta Ahmad Nawaz, pressure acts in all, beta Rafi, pressure acts in, Abdul Rahman, you tell, pressure acts in,
Yes, sir.
pressure acts in liquid, pressure acts in
Solid.
all directions.
Sir, all directions.
Pressure acts in all directions, okay? And beta, liquid pressure also depends upon the, Daniel, liquid pressure also depends upon the, beta Daniel. Okay, beta Ahmad Siddiqui, you say pressure acts, liquid pressure also depends upon the,
The density of the liquid.
shabash. And beta pressure, does pressure depend upon the shape of the container?
No, sir.
Okay, so pressure does not depend upon the shape of the container. And beta, how we calculate pressure? Next is beta, how we calculate pressure?
Depth into density into gravitational field.
Beta, pressure is equal to rho g h. Okay, so beta, where you should know what each symbol means. Where P is pressure, And beta, rho is the symbol used for density. G, Shabash beta, what is the G symbol of?
Gravity.
Beta, acceleration of free fall or gravitational field strength, right? Okay,
H is height.
Height.
Shabash. And beta, H is height or basically depth of the liquid, right? Is it clear to everyone? Beta, this formula is also very important. Calculating liquid pressure is very important. Beta, you can also use the symbol D for density instead of rho. So it is fine as well. Okay. Now, beta, next we're going to discuss is atmospheric pressure. Beta, basically, we are basically, the Earth is surrounded by a layer, which is basically a mixture of gases, and that is called. What is that called, by the way, beta?
The atmosphere.
Atmosphere. Shabash. So beta, the air present in the atmosphere, beta, like liquids exert pressure, remember that gases also exert
Pressure.
Shabash. So beta, the pressure atmosphere basically also causes a pressure, okay? It also exerts a pressure. So beta, the pressure caused by the air above the Earth's surface, that is called atmospheric pressure. Getting my point, beta?
Yes, sir.
Atmospheric pressure. And inshallah, we will also discuss in chapter number 18 how do gases exert pressure. So basically, beta, the gases exert pressure due to the collision, okay, of the gas molecules. Similarly, beta, air basically is also a mixture of gases. So due to the collision or bombardment of the air molecules, a pressure is exerted, which is called atmospheric pressure. But for simply, we can say this is a pressure caused by the air.
Sir?
Ji beta?
Like, is the atmospheric pressure multiplied by the density of the air?
Beta, it depends upon the density of gas as well.
Like,
Okay?
yeah,
So
the
where
gas.
the air would be denser, pressure would be higher. Okay? Where it
Okay.
would be less dense, pressure would be lesser.
So it's like the density, the pressure of a liquid.
You can say like liquids, gases also exert pressure. Yes. So if like liquids, the density of the liquid is greater, pressure would be greater there. Similarly, if the density of gas is greater, the pressure would be greater there, right? So beta, the pressure caused by air, G beta, above the Earth's surface, okay, above the Earth's surface, beta, what is that called? It's called atmospheric pressure.
And so it's measured from by barometer.
GG. We will also discuss barometer beta and in a bit detail. Barometer is used to measure atmospheric pressure. Okay, so the pressure caused by the air above the Earth's surface is called the atmospheric pressure. Okay, beta, at sea level, its value is about 100,000 Pascal. Okay, the pressure at sea level is about G beta. the atmospheric pressure. At sea level, is about 100,000 Pascal. Now it actually the atmosphere is exerting this much pressure on us, on everyone, like means we also have that much amount of pressure on us. And beta, okay, and beta, you know, this pressure is about the weight of like 10 cars pressing on every square meter, right? And beta, but why aren't we crushed? Can anyone tell?
Sir, because the force of gravity acts.
No. Why are we have this much amount of pressure on us, right?
These particles are very small, and so we can't feel them.
No. Why don't we feel? Why don't we get like? Why don't we get crushed by this pressure? Because beta, the pressure inside our lungs is also the same. Okay. Means it is made by the pressure in our lungs and in our blood system. Getting my point? Getting my point or not, beta?
Yes.
Yes, got it.
You know the better astronauts who go out in the space, you know what they do? They have to wear pressurized suits, right, beta? Because so the outward pressure, outside pressure is equal to the inside pressure. Otherwise, beta, the inside pressure, if it is greater than the outside pressure, you know, it can cause the body of astronaut to explode. Getting the point? Understood, beta? Similarly, beta, let me beta show you this way. With atmospheric pressure, this is the simple you can say this is how simple demonstration of atmospheric pressure. But before that, beta, you must also remember that beta atmospheric pressure decreases with height. Okay. Okay, beta, atmospheric pressure decreases with height, or you can say altitude, right? As we move up, means as the altitude increases or height increases, height from the surface of the earth increases. So beta, what happens? Atmospheric pressure decreases. Getting my point? Beta, consider like we are in a ocean of atmosphere, right? So when we are at the surface of the level, at the sea level, we are at the, like you can say, at the bottom of the ocean of the atmosphere. As we move up, as the height or altitude increases, so basically beta, we are moving up, so the depth of the atmosphere above us decreases, right or no? Means depth of the atmosphere decreases, yes or no?
Yes,
So
sir.
beta, that's why, you know, you can think of it like this, so the pressure decreases. Is it clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so beta, demonstration of atmospheric pressure. This simple demonstration can be used to show atmospheric pressure. Okay. Okay, beta, see what you can see in this. Okay, now beta, in this you can see in the first or in the above diagram, beta, actually atmospheric pressure is basically exerted outside, so and there is also some air inside the can, so inside pressure is equal to outside pressure, right or wrong?
Yes,
So nothing happens. Now beta, if we just using a vacuum pump, we just evacuate the can, means we just take the air out of it. So beta, when we take the air out of it, what happens inside the air, inside the pressure inside the can?
it decreases.
Okay, it's less, and outside pressure is greater than inside pressure. So what happens beta, the outside pressure which is greater, or now you can say, or the outside force is greater than the inside force, so that causes the can to be crushed. This is a simple experiment that can be used to show atmospheric pressure. Beta, did you get it or no? Got it or not beta?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now beta, another example, beta, like when we drink a liquid with the straw. Okay beta, how does that work? How does that work beta? See, when we drink, what we do beta, we actually expand our lungs. Okay, when we expand our lungs, what happens? The pressure, air pressure inside the lungs, shabash beta, when we expand our lungs, the air pressure inside the lungs,
Small.
ji beta, decreases. So beta, basically the air pressure inside the lungs and the straw decreases, right? So as a result, so air pressure, atmospheric pressure is greater, that pushes this liquid, and beta, the liquid moves up the straw. Getting my point or not? So what we do, we just will just decrease the air pressure in the straw, and beta, when the pressure is lesser in the straw, the atmospheric pressure pushes the liquid, and liquid rises in the straw. Beta, got it or not? Ji beta.
Got it, sir.
And beta, similarly on the same principle, vacuum cleaners work, right? So beta, there is a fan just beyond the bag which lowers the pressure inside the you can say cleaner. So beta, the atmosphere pressure, the surrounding pressure is higher, so that atmosphere, it rushes in, carrying dust and the dirt with it. So beta, there is a filter which actually blocks the dust, but lets the air pass. Beta, got the idea of atmospheric pressure? Shabash, if there is any doubt or confusion, you can ask. Is it clear beta?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
जी बेटा, everyone. Abdur Rahman beta, is it clear? Daniel? Ji
Yes,
beta, is it
yes.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now beta, next we're gonna do mercury barometer. Okay. Now beta, what is mercury barometer? First of all, you should know beta, it is used to measure atmospheric pressure.
Sir, is it possible to create a real vacuum?
Beta, it's very hard. So there is always something left. It means 100% vacuum is very difficult. Even these vacuum cleaners and these, they cannot do that. But it can be. Okay, it's possible. You can say it's possible. It's not impossible. Difficult but possible. Okay. Now, beta, next is mercury barometer. So, beta, mercury barometer is used to measure atmospheric pressure. it is used to measure atmospheric pressure. Okay. Now, beta, construction is simple. Mercury barometer basically, beta, it consists of a glass tube which is about 1 meter long. Okay, and beta, that tube is fully filled with mercury, and then beta, it is placed upside down. It is placed upside down, beta, in a mercury reservoir. Okay, beta. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So beta, what actually happens is now, like the on the mercury in the reservoir, atmospheric pressure acts. Okay. Let me show you this.
So atmospheric pressure acts on the reservoir. So as much as the mercury rises, it's the atmospheric pressure.
Shabash. So beta, basically see atmospheric pressure here. Simple. The mercury is fully filled with mercury. The tube is fully filled with mercury and then placed upside down. Now beta, so when it is done, the level of the mercury falls, but at certain level, it stops. It does not fall anymore. Okay. Now beta, actually what happens? The atmospheric pressure, or you can say the weight of the atmospheric pressure, actually supports a column of mercury in the tube. So beta, what is basically above the tube in the mercury? Okay. Here, what is above the tube in the mercury? What is there, beta?
So vacuum.
Vacuum. Shabash. So it means there is nothing above the mercury, no air. So means the pressure on the mercury in the tube, pressure above the mercury in the tube is zero, right? It's vacuum. Clear?
Yes.
And beta, now the atmospheric pressure pushes down on this, which actually pushes in turn the mercury in the column, right? So this is a tall, sealed tube. Understood? So basically, beta, what actually point here is the pressure caused due to this, you can say level, this you can say this height of the mercury H, the pressure caused by, we know liquid exert pressure, no? Okay. So beta, the time is up. So actually, I have to conclude the class here. Rest beta we'll discuss inshallah in our next class. Okay, beta.